Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a black granite metallic 2014 Chevrolet Cruze LT. A6983 is the stock number. There's a sharp chrome surround on the grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Kelly tire. And inside there's a black cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Cruze. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a backup camera here, and you've also got keyless entry for the trunk. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. Stepping inside, on the left of the steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. This is equipped with OnStar. And then down to the center, you've got a great touchscreen display. This is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You've also got capabilities for XM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage, you're getting great gas mileage. You're looking at 38 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on the Chevrolet or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.